Our preschool Bible story comes from the book of Genesis, chapter 1, verses 20 through 25. It is called God Made Animals. Our Bible verse says, God saw all that he had made, and it was very good. Genesis 1:31. Do you remember that God made our beautiful world? It was good, but God's world was very quiet. So God said, let the water be full of fish, and then there were fish swimming in the water. God made some fish to live in the big oceans, and some fish God made to live in the lakes and rivers. Then God said, let birds fly in the sky, and there they were. God made big birds like eagles and tiny birds like hummingbirds. He made birds with short legs and birds with long legs, and the birds were every color. Then God said, let there be all kinds of animals, and just as God said it, there were animals everywhere. There were great big elephants, little gray mice, barking dogs and meowing cats. There were even bugs. God looked at all the fish, birds, and other animals he had made for the world. He said, it is good, and it was good, because God made it all. What did God say about the things he made? In this picture, can you find the 10 animals that God made? God saw all that he had made, and it was very good. Genesis 1:31. What is your favorite animal to thank God for? If you have this week's activity sheet, match your stickers with the kind of animals in each section.